I can't believe I'm about to do this, but I'm doing it. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. So today, I am going to review the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. Now, a few years ago on YouTube, this was the deal. Like, everybody wanted this. This was out of stock for so long, and I gave into the hype and I purchased it. And I'm here to review it, but it's not a very kind review. So, if you want to know why my review is what it is, please keep watching. Okay, so I just gave it away in the intro. We all know it, and I know I'm late to the game reviewing this. However, I do not like this cream. And let me tell you why. So, and I don't have very dry skin. However, I find when I use this cream, first of all, there's sparkles. There's sparkles in it, okay? So, yes, in the sun, it looks great. However, the sparkles rub off on your clothes, and it's quite annoying. I do love the smell, so I do own the body spray of this, but we're not here to review the spray, but I love it, so I do use it quite often. And you know, I keep hearing on YouTube that like it absorbs into your skin and it feels moisturized like the whole day, and it gives it a nice glow. Yes, it gives it a nice glow because of the sparkles. Does it moisturize your skin? At least for my skin, it doesn't at all. Like, I put it on, my skin absorbs it, and within 10 minutes, I feel like I have to re-moisturize again. And then, because my skin is dry, the sparkles on my skin start to flake off and either go on my clothes or go on the ground or rub off on my couch or anything like that. And then on top of that, like, I like to take showers in the morning. So the fact that I know I have to go to bed with sparkles all over my body when it's gonna rub off on my bed sheets does not sit well with me. So these are the reasons why I am giving the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream a pass. I'm not a fan, and I'm really sorry to everybody that loves it. Please don't hate me in the comments, because I know everyone loves it. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion, right? So anyways, I will leave this review here. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below, or you can catch me on my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jenny with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me on my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.